Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to be going over properties of radicals and simplifying these radicals using these properties. So, there's two properties we'll go over today. First one is product property, then quotient property. Product property states that if we are taking the root of a product, that we can separate those two parts of our product and take the root of those separately. And then quotient property says basically the same thing, that if we are taking the root of a quotient, it is the same as taking that same root of each part of that quotient separately. So let's apply that here. Here they would like to know what is the cube root of 12 times the cube root of 18? Well, based on this first property here, this would tell us that this is the same thing as putting them together. This is the same thing as taking the cube root of 12 times 18, like that. So we're putting it all under one radical sign. 12 times 18 is 216. So this is the same as taking the cube root of 216. And then the cube root of 216 is 6. And so our final answer is 6. All right, here's another one. This one says the quarter root of 80 over quarter root of 5. So based on the quotient property, we can put these all under the same one and say this is the same as saying the quarter root of 80 over 5. Now, what is 80 over 5? 80 over 5 is 16. So this is really just asking for the quarter root of 16. And the quarter root of 16 is 2. So this is really just 2. All right, let's do a couple more. Here they would like to know the quarter root of 27 times the quarter root of 3. We know from the product property that this is the same thing as the quarter root of 27 times 3. 27 times 3 is 81, so they want to know the quarter root of 81, and that's just going to be 3, since 3 to the power 4 is 81. All right, and then for our last one, D, we have the cube root of 250 over the cube root of 2. And we know that from the quotient rule, that this is the same as the cube root of 250 over 2. Now, 250 over 2 is the same as 125. The cube root of 125 is 5, since 5 cubed is 125. So there we have it. All right, well, I hope you learned something from this, and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments, and we'll see you for the next one.